Hey guys, it's Brandy Chanell. I'm coming to you today with a demo and review of the Ardell Professional Eyebrow Perfection Stencils. And I will leave a playlist link in the description box, as well as I will leave an iCard above so you guys can see my other eyebrow videos. And if you guys are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Here we do all kinds of beauty reviews. Pretty much we talk about all things beauty. You guys, if you are not, in your opinion, the best at freehanding eyebrows, you have been sleeping on these stencils. I have had these stencils for years. You can find them at Sally Beauty Supply, at Walmart, pretty much anywhere online, I believe. So I want to show you guys on my little drawing here, if you can see, these are the different brow shapes. So as you can see, there are a variety of brow shapes. This first one, let's see, what's the first one? The first one is delicate, and then next is glamorous, which I don't think glamorous is that glamorous, but whatever. And then glamorous, and then next is classic, and then elegant is the final. As you can see, they're all different shapes. I just want to draw them on paper so you guys can see how they look. And as you can see also, I did the small strokes inside the brow, and that's kind of what I do on my actual face. And before we get into the demo, I want to show you guys quickly what the stencils look like. I'll just show you a couple so you can kind of get the idea before we go into the review. They're literally just a clear plastic material that you press up against your eye. I've found that it's best if you don't actually follow the stencil outline, but just kind of draw your eyebrows, kind of fill them in based on the stencil, and then go back in and kind of define the outline. Either way works, but just try whatever works best for you. And the other way is literally just to follow the stencil around with your pencil or brow gel or whatever, and then do the strokes to fill it in. Either way works. Try those. And I know there's going to be a burning question. There's only 4 stencils. Basically what you do is you take the brow for your right side, do it this way, and then flip it over to do your left side. So simple. So if you want to keep on watching, go ahead. The demo is right now. Leave a comment below and let me know which brows you guys think fit my face. I felt like they weren't that much different on my face, but you guys, I hope this helped you. I wanted you guys to see how easy it is to do brows, and once you kind of figure out the shape, you can kind of mimic it on your own without the stencil eventually. But if you really need help and you cannot freehand your brows, you should go run out and get you some eyebrow stencils. It doesn't have to be the Ardell brand, but I can only recommend these because these are the only ones I've used, but I think e.l.f. might have some as well. So I would check their site out. You can find them relatively inexpensive everywhere online. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you don't miss any more videos. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!